Vodafone Broadband Full Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to the product are provided in the description below. Vodafone Broadband is a well-established provider known for offering fast and reliable internet at competitive prices, backed by the strength of Vodafone's extensive network infrastructure. This review dives into the key features, strengths and weaknesses of Vodafone Broadband, helping you decide if it's the right choice for your home or business. Vodafone offers a variety of broadband packages, including ADSL and fiber optic options, with speeds ranging from 35 Mbps up to 900 Mbps on their full fiber plans. These plans are well suited for families and households with moderate to heavy internet usage. The higher speed plans are ideal for homes that require reliable performance for 4K streaming, large downloads and gaming. One of Vodafone's key strengths is its competitive pricing, especially when compared to other high-speed providers. They often run promotions that make their services more affordable, which is perfect for those looking to save on their broadband bills without sacrificing speed. Another strength of Vodafone Broadband is its reliability. Powered by Vodafone's strong mobile network, the broadband service is generally stable and customers report minimal downtime. The installation process is also smooth, and the company provides a straightforward setup, making it accessible even for less tech-savvy users. Vodafone's customer service is another plus, offering 24/7 support through various channels, including live chat and phone support, ensuring that issues are addressed quickly. However, Vodafone does have its weaknesses. While its prices are competitive, the speeds on their lower-tier broadband packages can feel slow for some households, especially for users with higher bandwidth needs. In terms of coverage, Vodafone's full fiber plans are not yet available everywhere, limiting the service in more rural or less populated areas. Lastly, while Vodafone's customer service is generally good, some users have experienced long wait times during peak hours. In conclusion, Vodafone Broadband is a strong contender for those seeking reliable internet at an affordable price, especially for households that need solid speeds for everyday browsing, streaming, and gaming. If you're looking for higher speeds or have specific coverage requirements, you may want to explore other options, but Vodafone's service is an excellent choice for the majority of users.